Join me as I try to install a portable wireless CarPlay screen with a 2.5K dashcam and GPS navigation in my car, and see if it really works for all vehicles. So I've got this portable wireless CarPlay screen that I want to try out, and I'm excited to see how it performs. This thing's got a 2.5K dashcam, GPS navigation, and it's wireless, which I think is really cool. It's supposed to work with all vehicles, which is a big deal for me since I've got an older car that doesn't have built-in CarPlay. Driving can be pretty distracting, especially when you're trying to navigate through unfamiliar territory. I've lost count of how many times I've had to fumble with my phone or try to read a map while driving. It's not exactly the safest thing to do, but it's something we all have to do from time to time. I've had my fair share of close calls, and I'm sure I'm not the only one. Using a phone or GPS while driving can be really hazardous, and it's something that we should all try to avoid. The problem with traditional in-car navigation systems is that they're often clunky and hard to use. And if your car doesn't have one, you're stuck using your phone, which can be a real distraction. I've tried using phone mounts and whatnot, but it's just not the same as having a dedicated screen. That's where this portable wireless CarPlay screen comes in. It's designed to make driving safer and more convenient. This portable screen is a game changer for anyone who's ever struggled with in-car tech. For one, it's wireless, which means you don't have to worry about cables getting in the way. It's also got a really clear display, which is important for navigation and dashcam footage. And with GPS built in, you can get turn-by-turn directions without having to use your phone. I think this thing could really make a difference in terms of safety. So let's take a look at this thing in action. I'm going to go ahead and install it in my car, and then we'll take it for a spin. Okay, so it's installed. And it looks pretty easy to use. The display is really clear, and the GPS is already picking up my location. I'm going to go ahead and start navigating to a nearby location, and see how it performs. The dashcam footage is also really clear, and it's nice to have a record of my drive just in case. I'm impressed with how easy it was to set up, and how intuitive it is to use. I think this thing could be a must-have for anyone who spends a lot of time on the road. In terms of benefits, I think this portable wireless CarPlay screen has a lot to offer. For one, it's really easy to use, and it's a lot safer than using your phone while driving. It's also got a lot of features that make it really convenient, like GPS navigation and a dash cam. And it's wireless, which is just really nice. So, to sum it up, this portable wireless CarPlay screen is a really cool device that's got a lot to offer. It's got a 2.5K dash cam, GPS navigation, and it's wireless. I think it could make a big difference in terms of safety, and it's definitely worth checking out if you're in the market for something like this. If you've had any experience with in-car tech, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. And if you're interested in checking out more of my tech review videos, I've got a bunch of other ones up on my channel that you might enjoy. 2025 new size, 11.26-inch touchscreen Apple CarPlay screen for car. Combining the loop recording audio and video entertainment, practical navigation and other functions of the products of the dashcam and wireless car stereo Apple CarPlay, adding unlimited fun to the driving journey. Black check mark emoji, compatible with portable wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto screen for car, new upgrade, stronger compatibility. Black check mark emoji, support 2.5K front camera plus 1080p rear camera recording at the same time. Help to capture super driving details. Black check mark emoji, 11.26-inch IPS 2.5D touchscreen portable CarPlay screen for car, ultra high definition screen makes color performance more accurate. Black check mark emoji, Android Auto screen for car supports a variety of voice mnemonic controls, realizing an easy driving experience that frees your hands. Black check mark emoji, comes with a 64G card to record interesting scenery and road conditions while driving, providing important evidence for traffic accidents. You can also download your favorite music, videos, etc. on the TF card and play these downloaded items even without internet. Black check mark emoji, the optimal route navigation brought by the latest GPS technology can be realized by connecting to your cell phone, avoiding time-consuming useless waiting such as traffic jam. Black check mark emoji, Apple CarPlay with backup cameras, multiple split-screen display modes optimize the user experience for both driver and passenger, realizing the value of safe driving and convenient operation of in-car electronic devices. Black check mark emoji, easy to connect, after pairing with your phone for the first time, you can connect next time. Note: the surface of the product has a layer of removable protective film. If you receive the product as scratches or dirty, you can tear off the outer layer of the protective film to use. If you are experiencing repeated reboots, please try resetting the machine and removing the SD card first. If this reboot problem does not occur again, please contact us for a replacement SD card. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Wireless CarPlay car stereo. Wireless CarPlay screen is upgraded to 11.26-inch HD IPS screen with clearer colors and better touch sensitivity. Thoughtful size design. Has a wider viewing angle than the 10.26-inch screen, and also solves the problem of blocking the field of view caused by the 9-inch square screen. It's the best screen size for drivers. It is also a surprise gift for parents, friends and loved ones with the most special features. High resolution. The 1920x1080 resolution means the screen has higher pixels and can display more detailed images and text. Comfortable viewing experience, even from a distance, it allows you to see the playback content on top of the Android CarPlay clearly and is friendly to your eyes. Bring you an excellent video experience. High sensitivity touchscreen. The 11.26-inch Apple CarPlay screen allows users to perform touch operations more accurately and quickly, responding to the touch of your finger with just a light touch. No need to press hard for an excellent interactive experience. High durability. The wireless Apple CarPlay screen adopts advanced touch technology with good durability, abrasion resistance and stain resistance, which maintains the perfect touch effect even after long-term use. Portable CarPlay screen. 2.5K plus 1080p Ultra HD front and rear cameras simultaneous recording. Black check mark emoji. Portable Apple CarPlay screen for car features 2.5K front camera and 1080p backup camera that delivers ultra high-definition video, allowing users to easily recognize license plates and street signs. Black check mark emoji. Apple and Android Auto CarPlay with 140 degrees plus 140 degrees wide-angle lens reduces blind spots and records more road conditions. Black check mark emoji. 11.26-inch touchscreen Android Auto CarPlay with rear view camera supports DIY reversing guidance based on car model and parking location and automatically remembers and saves it. It helps you to back up better and keep your car safe from cuts and scrapes. Black check mark emoji. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto is equipped with a fully waterproof reversing camera, fully sealed with adhesive padding. You don't need to worry about the rain even if you install the rear view camera outside the car. Apple CarPlay screen. Dual Bluetooth design. Black check mark emoji. CarPlay/Android Auto updated to the latest version of Dual Bluetooth 5.0 mode. Black check mark emoji. Bluetooth transmission is more stable, lossless sound quality, no signal interference, no power interference. Black check mark emoji. You can connect car Android Auto screen and original car speakers at the same time via Bluetooth, allowing you to wirelessly control music volume, answer and make hands-free calls without interference while driving. Car Play and Android Auto. 4 audio output modes to enhance driving experience. Black check mark emoji. Car stereo speakers. You can also output sound through Apple Play for cars' built-in speakers. Black check mark emoji. Oh, portable CarPlay screen for car sound can be output to your original car radio via aux input. FM radio. Wireless Apple CarPlay sound can be transmitted to your original car stereo system via FM transmitter. Black check mark emoji. Bluetooth. You can use the Bluetooth connection to output the sound of portable Apple CarPlay through your car speakers. The latter 3 ways all allow wireless car stereo audio to be output through your original car stereo to enhance sound quality and enjoy a lossless car audio experience. Android Auto screen for car supports 2 mounting methods. One is mounted on the dashboard using a self-adhesive bracket, and the other is mounted on the windshield via a suction cup bracket without disassembly. Installing our portable car stereo takes only a few minutes, saving a lot of installation time and cost. Portable wireless CarPlay working voltage range is from 7V 32V, support cars, trucks, campers, caravans, trailers, buses, pickup trucks and other types of motorized vehicles to use. 2025 exclusive 11.26 inches portable wireless Apple CarPlay screen for car and Android Auto car stereo, 2.5K dashcam 1080p backup camera car audio receivers/GPS navigation/voice control for all vehicles. Brand Gel Coos. Vehicle service type, car. Screen size 11.26 inches. Special feature dual Bluetooth, voice control, 2.5K dual dashcam, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, 11.26 inches HD IPS screen dual Bluetooth, voice control, 2.5K dual dashcam, wireless Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, 11.26 inches HD IPS screen. Connectivity technology. Bluetooth. Map type, road. Included components: English manual, suction cup bracket, 1080p rear camera, 2.5K wireless Apple CarPlay, 64GB SD card. Audio output mode, stereo. Mounting type: dashboard mount. Resolution 1440p. Exclusive 11.26 Apple CarPlay screen. Gelco's 11.26-inch Apple CarPlay screen for car is compatible with CarPlay and Android Auto. The largest touchscreen on the market, offers greater clarity for an enhanced video viewing experience. The touchable and viewable screen is larger than the 10.26-inch CarPlay screen, and the height of the Portable CarPlay screen has been lowered compared to the 9-inch CarPlay screen to address the issue of an obstructed driver's view. Safer to use. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto easily connect the Portable CarPlay screen for car to your smartphone, and you can easily use Siri voice to make/receive calls hands-free, play favorite music, GPS navigation and more. With AirPlay and Android Cast, you can seamlessly connect and sync all the content from your smartphone, including videos and movies, to the Apple/Android Auto CarPlay's high-definition IPS touchscreen, adding audio-visual entertainment to your driving journey. Intelligent voice control and navigation. Car stereo. CarPlay features intelligent voice control via Siri and Google systems. Without touching the screen, you can easily make/receive phone calls, listen to music and enjoy hands-free operation of various functions with a single voice command, adding safety to your driving. By connecting to Apple CarPlay wireless screen, you can access online maps on your phone and navigate, choosing the smartest and most convenient routes to avoid traffic jams. Dashcam front and rear. The portable Apple CarPlay screen has 2.5K front camera and 1080p rear camera, supports simultaneous recording. 140 degrees view angle, shoots to a wider and clearer picture, can remotely capture license plate and capture more road surface. Also comes with a 64GB card to save your time and money. Dual Bluetooth design. Enhance audio experience. Wireless CarPlay car stereo adopts the latest dual Bluetooth technology to bring higher audio and video quality. Connecting Apple CarPlay screen for car and original car speakers at the same time via Bluetooth, it is convenient for you to control the music/call volume wirelessly while driving without any interference. Smart screen for car also supports using O or FM transmission to play audio from car speakers for a louder sound experience. Compatibility and technical support. Portable car Android Auto screen is powered by the cigarette lighter, plug and play, only need to connect once, and then automatically connect when you get into the car. Suitable for 7 to 36V cars. The suction cup mount and base mount design give more mounting options for your dashboard or windshield. We provide 1-year technical support. If you have any questions, please let us know. It does not support Huawei to connect and use for the time being. Note the surface of the product has a layer of removable protective film. If you receive the product has scratches or dirty, you can tear off the outer layer of the protective film to use. If you are experiencing repeated reboots, please try resetting the machine and removing the SD card first. If this reboot problem does not occur again, please contact us for a replacement SD card.